Welcome to names.co.uk. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up your new Webmail account by creating a password, choosing your email address's alias, and logging in for the first time. First, sign into your control panel and, under the email section, click Manage to open the settings for that mailbox. Next, click the blue domain name to reach the mailbox setup page. Here, replace Site Administrator with your name and add a strong password. Then set your email's alias by replacing the asterisk under Email Settings with the name you want to use. Then click Save. After you save, click Webmail in the top menu to access your email using the password you just created, and you should now be able to send emails from your new address. That's it. Your email setup will be complete if you follow those steps. But if you need any extra help, our support team is there for you. You can call us or log a ticket from within your account area. Thanks for choosing names.co.uk. See you again soon.